Samsung unveiled the Galaxy S25 series at its recent Galaxy Unpacked event. Leaks suggest the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 will feature 12GB RAM, multiple storage options, and possibly the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, maintaining last year's prices. Limit. Published January 31, 2025, 2:14 p.m. IST. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is tipped to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Samsung recently conducted its Galaxy Unpacked event of the year, where it unveiled the Galaxy S25 series. While the three devices are yet to go on their first sale, some concrete leaks about the Galaxy Flip and Fold lineup have already started emerging. For context, Samsung usually reveals its Galaxy Z series lineup during an Unpacked event in June or July, and if that timeline holds to be true, the phones could be potentially 6 months away from debut. Galaxy Z Flip 7 specifications. According to a leak by PandaFlash Pro on X, formerly Twitter, Galaxy Z Flip 7 is likely to come with 12GB of RAM and 256GB per 512GB of storage. Meanwhile, Galaxy Z Fold 7 is also likely to come with same 12GB of RAM but with 256GB per 512GB and 1TB storage options. Notably, the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 also came in the same storage and RAM options. The Z Fold 7 is said to be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a significant upgrade compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 found on its predecessor. However, the tipster did not give any clarity on if the Flip 7 is also likely to be powered by the same SoC. An earlier leak had stated that the two devices could be powered by the Exynos 2500 processor. The new leak suggests that given the processor is causing some production issues, it could be limited to just the Z Flip 7. Earlier, the tipster had stated that Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 are unlikely to see a price hike from last year, which would mean a same starting price of Indian rupee 109,999 and Indian rupee 164,999 respectively.